Monchumurelia ondizi TV ngukwali nibene ase entunda yende ime yomuroberio bwensakia emambia yabono ase buna botambe lituko lya Jumatatu ni gotoko batoko sanga naye anenemono igoro yamangana arengete siasa anemono ayabirga kwenekigwa ase county ya Kisii na boigo ase Orogongo Rwagusi anemono astokumulekira alia aire obolito na aberega kwenekigwa ase egeka kyamatuko abeire gago etabuna twikoko tebinga nigo torabetugo sanga nabageni baito ase emambia yabono astorabetugo sanga no mu MCA be wodi Masimba bose mairura na boigo omu MCA be wodi eria abogeka Richmond manani askolende oyo tanganire goika ase omuroberi bwensakia emambia yabono no mu MCA o Masimba bose mairura oyo trabe tukuchaka nerebene kitore no kwasemelinga omugeni okabire nabe gago cha ase studio ase emambia yabono asiko naboko ndo tubwatia wetera ase nchira yomtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News digital ase media ya YouTube Ndizi TV News wetera so mtandao ito www.ndizitv.net wasonyora chinsa emerongeberi nainye amatuko atano nabere ye wiki wakiri buya umweshimiwa
wakiri yo
karibu sana ime yoroberi bwensakia emambia yabono yes nga kimambia were na boigo ase faide umurili okora ase entunde ntangani tomanyango ase ubime ainingo
ase bali bata manyete marieta nchengoro kwa boss mairura indo mu MCA we ward ya Masimba njori na chama tawala UDA na gali aze bunge inde whip chama ya UDA and we gonna now minority one of the minority whips yeah
ere buya kegima watebiringa nigo chorire na chama tawala cha UDA
chama kubwa ya
yes ase kolende amatuka wangu yanturo chinga abo chori mboge ndrete chinsemo kolende twabeta koranga chinsemo nchiro chibura buru chiabere chinsemo nchiro abo chori boge ndrete nchamanyenga miroberi nere liya ndrete ase county ya Kisii.
It's true. We are doing elections as a kiama yetu kia UDA amangana wate abayichi uraburu. It's normal. Elections are very emotive. Awanda okanyora wate expectation is still very high. Awandu mwede mundo tana wanja buno bwiru ona okanyora mundo bwiru utakakorente vurugu so mundo maite ngobware utakakorente vurugu. That's normal. It's normal. What we are doing gusiga otuachagete kora korende kuna grassroots activation ko ilia bandu baito because it has been some time kwa na mangane chama sebi nyoroime so ntuachagete onchari on Friday and the same time tukagenda bomachoge Mheshimiwa Alpha Miruka. On Saturday we were at Nyaribari Church. To committee abantu close to 2,000 wakorukere every polling station we take constituency. In this coming week go and to other constituencies which I may not want to say Njiriji to do the same. From there to managokora overchurch chitangazwe as a structure ide ya UDA wachori bakongera as a polling station where to wachora abantu every polling station abantu 20 wakuwakilisha all categories of people as a kenyorgeito na bangina umuntu naro kuba wakilisha awege tumba bwate chairman una abantu bali kuna professionals nduwa tumuntu kuba wakilisha kiamite kibangete sana uro tumana gutira tochore abantu be ward more of a ward summit au bakanda bachikora cyabeka namo chichore constituency chibeka namo bamana gochora a county leadership ase ngujiko bayo mobo une county secretary wechama and bane ba UDA they are looking at that nemba maitena ekeroke getegete omuntu kugamba bunanje. So it's an opportunity and Wakizi County baoje konyora gochora umuntu kurukwe county secretary chair ye party ya UDA ze county ga ndwate mu women rep we county ebiruye byando mu maeta bakuri. So we shall announce the date, but when you go to attend kuna grassroots activation ina impact leo. Yes.
Asinge njito beta koranga chinsemo chinde obochori wabere bogotenenigwa buna naika otebanga to beta koranga chibura buru chabere chiko enekiwa ande akena bo montara nya kweburinga obochori obo mbubangire boikera nuboli mbo naende ngana go chaba gegwa soki kegima obochori obo mbochi koba bo bwasi okukegima bose negati abali bale ase babwato chinguru ase kyama kebide bara chikwenyorero obwe inkyora bo kwandera anene mono igoro bwasi okwase obochori bwino.
Otole one of the most democratic party. Kwa abantu bonzi na fast ya leadership. That is why as chama ito ya UDA mnomo chair kare umusacha vice chair no muswati and vice versa. Unomo county secretary ga uchi asaka wanchabe boss mairo yoro musacha deputy county secretary ga ucha ko muswati automatic. N'abantu bakubori 8 chikura chubo county secretary omusacha ire musacha mubwati musacha mubwati muswati yache muswati ne roko bate county secretary the deputy county secretary amangano was daga ne riwocha ime. We are the most democratic party across East Africa and Africa. Because to involve abantu bonse na nawo da mapema party politics is very emotive because abantu bande muntu naro kubugana gakonyora uburayo bwe chama automatically onyorire ticket babugata ambition abandi mbora barengete na echame ni chama tawara tingo twale position ngoja konyora ndubu kimankuli which might not even be the case. Some of these positions no konyora echire ceremonial they are only there for you to support the party, to strengthen the party, because the main leadership is at the national level. Ours is to boost the national leadership led by His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Yes. So burabu ruteyo I want to promise abantu aito bagusibina buna njumura yoyo mubwe chame kya UDA that we will be very democratic. We are very democratic, and for the first time I want to tell you job in tutogo kora chikura electronically. And it has worked in all the counties that have done those elections, starting from our neighbors Omabe. It worked very well. Chikura chika kubuya sana. The other technical issues is normal because emitando emangana internet mundu tayo go plan useri tukeri ne feri. It's something that can but I want to promise the people that we are very much organized. We are very much ready, and abantu baito ba UDA mashabiki yetu, fans, supporters, watu aroboremu. We can only urge our competitors from Azimio to keep off, because we are aware of serious interference from this losing opposition all the time. Neither to interfere na mangana affairs yata kurenda abantu bagwe front na ubate to kuli birugo, while we know they are just camouflaging no yaka erangi ya UDA ntomanyete abantu ba UDA wetera manyinga. Yes.
All right. Kwa hilo kwanera anene mono ase ugotumika omtandao bwekerera anene mono ase ugwaka chikura. Ense ite wa Kenya ase obochori obonene bwetire ase chintunda angebere 2022 ndo batu gutumika enchera yekerero abantu bagwaka nama amasakara amachiwa bakagotumwa ase mbeo. Naga ni kumanyanga ensemo yenunga kibono mugwaka chikura chase elindo muligelia nyaku yaliga ni mapima kigima.
Yeah, we want to set a precedence. That it is possible and it's going to be possible that nabotogo tumia the digital voting whereby yakogenda kara wajira zege tuo abantu bayito aba officer bali bawoje gotoka zege tuo mbabwate electronic device tote laptop machine ebwate all the data of that polling station and of that constituency, of that ward, of that county. So that una anjengu wake kura ya nini riabu to primary school. Ekarango ya ndanda gete waka ekura yuko kubeka ekia You give your ID. First they validate, but check whether I know a member ya UDA. That is the first stage. Automatically, if you are a member of UDA, also they are checking whether you are a registered voter in that particular polling station. You get to check whether you are registered. Na kwa weke fingerprint yao. Ya reflect boss mairura polling station number ye ali abigutu registered member of UDA number ye number ye kibande that man. Now whatever noted wake ekura yao. Alias electronic device ibiroge byonsi bikurwana nobire. Okay? So you just mark I was a laptop. Na result munego tomuga ali ego tomwa across from to the county to the national level. Ya reflect na wa vote. So that by the time chukua jose in the evening, omonda amanyekanete. You don't even struggle voting. Una na kiwe next monda ja kiranga kire ende chikona kwebaraze as a system. Yeah. So it is something that is working, and I want to say that as a country we will have to adapt the digital voting in the near future. Yeah.
Se enchera ya bene boy kongani komanyanga enseme yo mtandao yo wekerero ama tukakale ntunaletenga niko chikura chigo akwa abagent baba bagoikaransa ekera abagent babere bagoikaransa ase egetuke ligyo gwaka chikura baba korokinga oyo nyolire yemu oyo ndo nyolire yende yani okomonitor nkoronga kichikura cyaba chigo akwa naendo bwasi kubaba bwamba koroka na ngambro enseme ya electronic njira kieye abagent bako baba community process bose bakuganya umweri welituko.
You know, kure injiri that hype to know the which hype. Number one, your members by UDA ba work. Number two, abantu baje bakajikura is only abantu 20 from every polling station. Bali bago choro unabarai bago delegates. Leadership ye getuo nero ego chogochola leadership ye ward. Totuale abarai be ward leadership ya ye ward nere go chogochora leadership ye constituency bali bago chogora ze constituency level bamana go chora abantu bakorukwa abantu be county. So it is not something kere kuzira nabantu bonzi bago chogwaka chikora, because I've told you ebiroge ebimbi manyekanete as a polling center otobwate china fasi 11. Okay? As a ward executive committee na haro tubwate chi nafasi ji 11. Kwa bayengo ta ikukirito tole chair, vice chair, tuachole treasurer, organizing sec, youth rep, women rep, abantu badene MSMEs, the micro small business enterprises. Abantu bakora bana biashara bike, farmers, teachers, leader a group go represented. Those are the people who vote, not all the voters, because it will be very expensive, and that means now to komanyana mbando kibaka into gig baga jiko. That's why we are doing. We have done this in a very organized way. That tochore abantu baito bali batuma idara abantu bichama. Yeah.
Asenge nchomo genyo kabira bereka goikirana ase studio ni oturabata kongenda ase omotimoko oromoke linde ko mwali baga lyabenenere beigo waswa ase umuroberio wensakia emambia yabono ase turabe tokogendera gosanga nabagenda baito ase emambia yabono ase umanchu muri TV tobasa gosuka tobasa konyegera.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi kurikira bono ayabona umwagaci kwa manyiri duka okugenda kugira ibintu byose biri gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitari cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igokubeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising kibakurikiye cyo cyonsi showers, towel holders, soap dishes, racks, mirrors na hand basins. Chirangi chonsi chiria chikuburukanibwa ne computer na boigo chiriche spray paints no chire mbabwete chipboard buna chips and boards, MDF boards na chip boards. Hebinto au biokora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chingulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers, banyore, old Sansura building, angena Kisi main bus stage, gusua Kisimi, asenamba, enotisano naibire, eye mokianda, inyeisano, enotinye, inyeisano nemo, Osmo Traders Limited, customer satisfaction guaranteed.
Spexels Opticians abo barase kliniki kya gudika imeyomo chokisi nguro bare obokoreri au burengeta maiso nigo bakonia ebirore na korenga maiso wetera chi machine chekerero chobumanyi bweigoro bono nkwanchira barechi insurance kobwatia AAR GA Insurance Area ya Liason Eagle Africa Kenyan Alliance Pioneer Insurance Lucent Health Amoneria ya Star Discovery.
Karibuni Spexels Opticians Goodka Clinic Kisii Town. Hii ndio kliniki bora ya macho pekee yenye mashini za kisasa na za uwezo wa hali ya juu. Tuko na madaktari professional kabisa kama Daktari Sigei na tunafanya free eye test.
Mimi ndiye Daktari Sigei. Hapa kwetu Spexels Opticians tunazo frames na lenses mbalimbali. Lenses ambazo zinasaidia katika kutatua shida mbalimbali za macho kama vile kutoona mbali, kutosoma maandishi za karibu na hata kupunguza mwangaza.
Asomo chokisi nigo bagotoka angene duke na neyo bonchoreria ya Shivling Supermarket na boigo ebenki ya KCB. Babwate boigo eduka imeyo mocho Nairobi asama gacho a Balfour House, Kimathi Street, Mbarabare na Java House. Asamanke onyeko ganetie konyora obokoreri asomo chokisi bakire simi wetrase namba 0110505501 Noria otageto obokoreri meyo mocho Nairobi na boko bakire simi ase namba 0110001333 Spexels Opticians, macho bora kwa wote.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Montumuriria Ndizi TV ngubali ndivene ase entunda yende ime yomoroberio wensa kia entunda tukuna botambe ni goto kumurekera amangana airogurito ensemo area ya siasa ase turabe tugusanga nabageni baito babiri umugeni umutangane waikirana ase studio bose mairura ase uyo kabere abere kirana boigo Richmond Marani korwa ase woda area ya Bogeka. Wakiri buya mheshimiwa. Karibu naende ime yomoroberio wensa kia imambia ya bono mbale bakora ase litukulitangani tumanyango asobo ime aye ningo naende mbiro bukiebyo bwate ase bunge county ya Kisii.
Mchengo kumanana Richmond Ayol. Mwamsio Award. And the chairman ya Culture, Social Services and Sports Second Assembly. And then on the second material budget, Mheshimiwa Boss. And the second material implementation.
Ere uyake gima
ukwewa na ywa the chair culture.
Not the one in the chair.
Ere uyake ya kegima ase imambia ya bono na manga berega kwene kigwa ime ye county ya Kisii korendo mwantu murendi zitibe ngo kwali bagali abene ase gusangana intwe kerengere kia wetera ase mitanda ya ito Facebook ndizi TV News Digital ase media YouTube ndizi TV News wetera somtando ito www.ndiztv.net asonyora chinsa meronge bere na inye amatuko atano nabere ye wiki boy gotoe bagusangana intwe wetera ase nchira ye namba ya ito SMS 0791921834 ase egosanga 92 ase imambia ya bono ke gimando tinga na bange banda to ruatia ase imambia ya bono kulete atachakere ase ensemo yaye omweshimiwa Richmond ndoranga ewiki ye omo governor we county ya Kisii na bagawikira na osio we senate akabori gwa amaborio amangi anemono igoro yoboteneneri we serikali ye county ya Kisii igati yemeroberio abere gagwikirania gwikira ase tinga ki cyabono gati nkwamba korenginga nkwabete kubwatia emeroberi na no manyete igati ibintawe tukurani ngira gukwanera anemono igoro yogwikirana kumugabana we county ya Kisii osio we bunge ya senate nabo igo enjira abete gakwireneria igati yamangana abeta kuburiwa
Kagate ko kirana usie senate enchira ya moye senate korigereria nga ye kasorera abere ko because the senate it oversights na rongo teneta mangana devolution korigereria nga chipesa chikuru as national government ngokara chirega asubia asat the county level so ngori so kiana gotaka kumanya ekene kigenda desenya gitari yetu
All right. Akabaka buli wa mabuli ya mange anena mono igoro yenya gitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital tukamwiga otebanga korwa aso bugambi nigo no na abantu bagusiria amagimabo asinya gitari eri abeire gago kyano na bana bagusiria amagimabo babere bago kyana boigo otebanga emechando meka beteka konyora nene mono wethera aso mugiro bwabanya gitari kurende meroberio umpigenda ensemo yawo mweshimiwa Boss Maira tiango na cha nsemo yao ekero kuriria abokoreri bo mugabano we county ya Kisii nekira wote bana bwigentera betakwira ndia usigose
maitho wasakana kwanginyori una gabana atebete na bantu bagubona bakeire na kokurwa gabana nyino gabana aru murimo bube bakangusoka gukwa negoro yae ino monte orate ni abantu baguku nyasaye we everybody knows no umuntu bw'ikinyoru umuntu bwatere to mubwito uyo bwatere to mubwito nyasaye uri igoro
ole ndo mwishimo montaru wale tagenda nyagitari
is okay, that's what I'm explaining lakini to jange agote abantu na kurumbo mu MZU mazimba na abantu barenge uku bakeire it's not true kaite areche ito in ICU there are a lot of problems mosukono nyoro muntu urwarire uchironje na ira abarwire gari it is a mess okuyiro muntu nyagitari kwa chibaza njiro gwaka na wetresimi ejine njiro otabwe chinkash ko kora amangana yo kurigere no munyagitari watabwu ora mariyo gari akoroge ntokieke musukabura you know ose I have done one practical example okubore riyo mali okuganda isikire chipa kubwa unakuwa abanyagitari kitare chega nerikoba cheaper being enyagitari obwate a subsidy because ya mariyo dokonyora gari are subsidized you know by the government and I think the reason why mariyo gari angere koba expensive na gabana na admit akobora mariyo 70% outside KEMSA the PFM Act our rules chi country echitagete chi facility na KTRH chiagora mariyo kurwa KEMSA because that is where the government has put a subsidy ni ryo goro sempanado ya 10 shillings kuone shillings 7 ekero ko ndogore kurwa abana biashara buna rayo gose buna boss inchengo ko 15 nango ko 15 ko ko renta asinya gitari bona azega bana gora mariyo kuruziko okero ko renta nya gitari iwo gocha kurioni chibesa chire igora asinini because that's where we also get own source revenue talk on the same amount of money equality kuruziko and what I want to say challenges inchirari you know NHIF very well yateneneti korenda jibesa Kisii Referral Hospital the reason yarenge chibesa bare gusaba ku Nairobi ku NHIF chire unrealistic. One time aba nagibago ku DCI detectives bari baguchunguza na EACC bakanyora requisition cy'abantu bakubuturwa amagoro 80. You know that's a lot of money. That amputation, it's a lot of money energy if we work on. Ega kuchunguza whether abantu 80 mbalo wabagana igokora that operation at Kisii Referral Hospital. Ando mwezimu arayo na mind. Ega toka abantu abaleless from the kind of requisition ya call. What happened? NHIF gatene chibesa chia Kisii Referral Hospital. Ekere NHIF egutene chibesa eti gutuma chibesa ujaze itari accept if kurese facility. It means ayo ende muno omwananchi Kisii County oende kurwaligwa level 6 yani level 5 yeito kadi yawe ya NHIF to kwa ngento kiki they cover accepted until today. That problem has not been solved because NHIF nibwa uchunguzi nenda gendera kwa na ki chiwe chia goza bukuru Nairobi. It is not realistic and we saw the governor cry all over na bateni nijiwe za kuru NHIF to koiba obe tote neneliwe ebintu ike serikali ten because serikali county government is a government but into whether the main national government it needed the 47 counties where the president is the head of state and they must make sure nebintu mbya biko genda abana inchi baye but ende na irande mazwali una iraneli. I expected this morning utubona ki ebinyoro bigenderete mwaka ngusie katole what is happening. Because to duel interview ya Senate igera I was not there, Rayoli was not there. Lakini bindombire mbwata majibu na Rayoli yabugate unabona mwaka ngusie katole. We are working on the budget ya 2024-2025. Eganeri wetu before by 30th of this month. You know? Those are na irane mazwali asitwa gato tosuke moto to
asenge njuko biro kunere binte bingi ana mono igoro yenya gitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital no mheshimiwa Nara na kanu trai wange nsemo yao nkiura kwa negative tapa
pero rankiringa mheshimiwa bosi okwanira ayaya ndatigama chiwande tumaidinga yarusi and ne na kiro maze no maze na rito kira okoba ebintu byo kwano bitari byo manya oni wese kubori umuntu oberega kurwari wari no yesterday no nari kurunya gitari on the back mochari services sirege chia change chia bere chingi ya mono wese kurige no na ya kero weta no nya gitari ya yoga na boga de 40 nere gaiga so amaswali ebiyaga tabanga biene NHIF NHIF na kyora akoro go ibina NHIF it's a government parastatal elie egodi nechi subsidy webi unamona ate abachibase chiaba weile chibase chi kediwa korobne kadi elie code yo chese simi yao to kwa ndo chiko fake ebintebi nechi code chiri chiende chisimi chiaba ndaba bonspi so nanga twegure ku NHIF abantu mbari babwatiru bari ko ibere parastatal
nkibaza itenene
ekigitara akora gitara
nkibaza itenene
sengoja chire
ngitenene iri
we we shall budget for me. You will see KTRH declaring their own source, so that each comment to na charore maybe they been doing biribi amiseti binde biribike njerete yora tebe ngabana ago chonga inederi gabana nabango murai bunaye na to tingo mokante be ngoko na sabantu bamasimba kwa bangaina njerete yora bangaina because abanta aba muamiyeti bakamwachukura nero murai yogo so inge tuyuga na de bangeri na ki
abantu bali gukwa
boniga abantu ereti yogo kwa it reduce the wifi abantu boniga diagnosis yego kwa bwat omate initially tu abwata monto otari umatari ochita ka foji papers agacha kanyore gasi yo kurwari no esi ndanya tamati ko kore ata maiti kobeta so ekeraji babanda babe kwini place y'abanyagitari bakacha gukora uchunguzi yabo buri ngori bwabo bakanyora in the real sense abantu barabareje kwaka bakarabe kukanga paka abane bari babo gatetu so wikira boni abantu banoro they are qualified professionals irrespective wowe mo noro yobete omo yobete noro affected enyagitari yake but then I think they came to agreement boni abantu bari gas so as boni ge nyagitari eri itere biya the problem te yera ororo na amario ga ya goteba the government what the policy is serikali kirete yera jikora amario ko ruisiko amario ga itako chaga ya nero tanya go choro njana chira several times akaba go flag of amario ga ya ko kemsa it happens amario ga rabo na ya tayo se tayo kemsa of which Boniga as known as Council of Governors, but what the department they are very ahead. They are advised strictly. Amayo Konyo Amayo are cheap, we go Amayo or Kems. The Tayura Tiga Mario are cheap, which go Amayo are expensive. They have your mind.
Asendo tinga imambi ya bono na bantu banatutubuatia Moses Zablona mheshimiwa tuko ndani Jeria Kirubo listening from Manama Baharian Kingdom all the way to my home Kisii County Ndochenga. Peter Omari Tabura Temo, Honorable BMM using wisdom one by one. Evangelist Hesbon Sicho watching live from Nyantirago. Even no Peter Omari Tabura Temo tuned in watching a presenter Malsera. Hello, good morning Joban Frida kama kawaida niko live kutoka Kericho. Taisi Amisi, my greetings to my MCA boss and my brother this morning. Hando Chebo Igoma Kakamesha Kawokwani mheshimiwa yuni yule moja from KSA following Walter Rioba Mbakasi Kefanyaribo from Bobasi Bonyakama Esani Catholic ndani umuroberi Wensakia hadi tamati egatia bali bande tuwatia umuroberi Wensakia imambia ya bono tukalete asikiringa gito ya siasa na magendero ase county ya Kisii emburanja bagigo tuwe nyinge kigima sitwa betote unga embure bunego sirega chiparanko batire chiko agachwa naende twata koranga embure akanyekire tera era kinende yakanyekirake ndamanyenga ensemo eria yobwagachi gwechipara ngaitore ase gwikira bono iga emirobiri nendrate bune bwendrate tuchakira so mheshimiwa boss
I could have wished yora mundu wa serikali akirende ni metote tangila nili na ande tigante bekene none na maitena ntura koribuya you know job chibesa chigo chechie serikali Kisii County ejina abana inji baganira bamanya all the time in this financial year chikwara to gusiku mutinyo eji arenge 13 billion chibezi ariko genda magenderero plus eji to carried forward in the last financial year eji cover around 5.6 billion ekero wake sawe quickly kere ward egana iri konyora chibezi cha magenderero chisa chiro almost 110 million kere ward because ward 45 chibesi chimane kwa kento chimane kopoteka lakini tubate ndio kuna flagship project siko chibesi nyinge una industrial park kusenya gitari yabe kero chibesi nyinge nene remaining osaba abantu bonzi be county stine yabayigo chibesi kana iri koenda masimba kusibogeka ichigane ikoba inse ya 60 million lakini budget tu anjera nete na wa MCA ya renge 27 million kera award inche bunandega buna boss mairo government ya Kisii County ikora uno mugaba na Zimbarati tihana gutuma even 1 million kuti masimba no tatitina abeka project ebintu biko koru imbegete a project ebintu biko koru biko toto 27 million nonya bageta bagachike chikaba about 22 million even 22 million none siringe mugaba no Kisii County ole moyo uri ku Paulo Zimbarati taratoma chibara kwa bori na begete chibara bunanje isatu chigo toto to 12 million egero muzani ona igambo nagi enda ina lero nyuti bira kitangwa na biro masimba ko majiba na monte na bonyugwete mugaba na ntwa contested and ibira kitebe ngogenda biro masimba na akere contract is mikaroje a contract ko it is the third time ngo mwagera kurumambe uyu wetu chibari chia nyali bali masa, because what happened anda magosa even mheshimiwa Bogekanosi Richmond amagosa manetu akorete aganjira na njino yo gwanja governor abeke chibara elot mangana lot we una chibara chia nyali bali masaba au muntu oyomo akore arime bara ichu chibara ichuni arime nyamasibi arime gesusu arime kiamukama arime masimba chiwodirenga 5 umuntu oyomo etenda ya almost 59 million yarenga umuntu uyu atagege by the time akoruchuni tari wanja kwae akoenda kiamukama mbura yakore into kike yature we tried to resist but I'm sure governor nagagosoma bintu osomire nagentege kia lot way we must do away with it so that no muntu okori majibana gategeta keji contract abange mbanya ora chibara tiga umuntu oyo mubugeka aho umuntu oyo mamazimba aho umuntu oyo mukiamukama eko baraizi angobono manyete umuntu oyo tumazimba no tumanyete mando bandi bamazimba bamanyete kumufuatilia ko baraizi ekero kufuatilia oyo mawa tena ngale ichuni ngokora ichuni nangete kiamukama ngokora kiamukama ninche nyamasibi anyi bangite buna akoro tento kike una atagete so job nche tingo ngaina abantu bane bakisi county ko sabantu bane ngora abamazimba muna tuakorera mangana ichibara kulingana buna abantu baito baganiti ikyana nabete chibara umwaka oyo muisatu nandi chi akoliru umwaka oyo bono ko ngea umweri wo mutinyo na ndendeme nimbegete isana nimbegete chibara 5 ase budget chiremu manyo gukore myaka ebiro already kwari mechibara close to 8 because chibesa nende njika netienda machi chibesa njika netiga enda chinye gitari cho chibesa tu abete nyegitari unanje nabete nyegitari no ni siringi taratumika
ngoja tora senseme yo chinye gitari ala tora murekera
chibara amane chibara and I'm sorry asa abantu bana bamazimba akini obiyanko bayereza ande na ibintu ebimombori nche nimbegete nabahoroki chibesa chimbegete ga 4.5 million omanyine karamu no mugavana nero kumanyana ki aba officer ba procurement ba advertise etenda abantu ba apply nero kumanyana naki abantu bayiru umuntu yiru etenda naki umuntu akogenda igira round inchigazi ya no make sure na bige chibese budget na make sure na bagire chibare chia cross na wanombegete baranga be karamasha location emo kabeke bare emo enjoro location kabeke bare emo not masaba location so that abantu bane bonzi be kwodi ya ne masimba ekere bare ko mwazigete bafiri naki na intuntu akunuga iga no mweshimiwa itu na ande kere bare ko limwe iga bana should be minded that boss yakoremera no mwana inji asare the head of the county you know let me tell you job for doubt for purposes of any doubt the governor of Kisii county agoro ku Paulo Simbarati ekere bare ari mu mazimba ekere contract eko yande gukora kuri me bareri ebicha ko beke ntanga ni wono yo mugabana yabwati buno yo mu MCA ekere nko genda ase risaburiane na kwana inkoreza abantu bane bamazimba buna ebara na begete budget mwaro jibere kitambia tumetukuru account ingotenenete account. It is unfortunate na the governor did politics, always bring politics na magendero y'abantu ba Kisii county. It is a shame, it's betrayal, especially keto kuri ichukuranyorete across the county. Igamangane chibara inchebuna boss na mubekere 0 out of 10 because he has not done any in my ward.
Mheshimiwa tukoja sensema yao Mheshimiwa Richmond Mheshimiwa Mairobega kwanera mange na mono igoro yobwa gachipara obire an mono wakatebanga umugabana ni akadokora siasa na magendro ntamanye nsemo ya ngyora go kwanera enkwani na boybo go kwanera igoro yemeroberio yobwa gachipara rakwa none wodi ya ngaki go ikira mono igamwa beru ikira
nche asama ga no ka tena ga entrepe ma to uyu Mheshimiwa na chaga go te wataki na muboria because ndawe embure jabucha ani nchitari nkore de chipara chiana actually chipara na do se chiloti chiana ni 5 omu wano chito contractor ka manage go kora 4 akara kora 4 enya mane tigarete era go nyonka ya manoti ichiri do suwe ko maram akora tagrede one yamere we catch a fresh. What happened there? You're not aware. Much more not aware. I want to wait to buy it to us. kera ba uchikasi kulingana na ile chika percentage nero wika umunjini kera asensiri kwaka no chibese gete aba liko wete ngaba chile bari kero be budget ya tenne so chi contract chili chikaobwa echiko nya chile chigas what made gas on speed delay ekere chiobwa baka withdraw the machines for we site actually it's last week what aba the last 2 weeks na ba nya kwaka no wakano
ngi twali kedriru
that's why tinda digo charabu que kungili swali ligo cha ndikwane bono ya we speak no yo ne bona ta kirugo cho contractor ya the south bona ta kirugo cha by ngale to Wednesday ngonya ro ikide site again rich para ko bono ngore ya ke no mushmi oyo tipare na bigete akira it's very shameful that I don't understand ajin masimo na shilingi and mu sonda na tijibasa ichine chibesa bado cha with the county because out of that
iri current iri gender development na kwanera iri current
na korere ngore tangi chipare ibere
nekenenga mheshimiwa kore chipare
ebara na korete job Richmond I'm the head of that ward ebara na korete ebara yari ku Riombaso Kondamasa a very small road ya koretu the last financial year ya 2022-2023 I was talking about this budget yeah 2023-2024 and taranyi yakana by the
so ego ndogoro mheshimiwa ba kwante no mugabana kaba kwante no mugabana bakayigwana na ndari yero agetesi akete twesimi so jingonya kubolia no mondo ito ngonya kubolia ro made neringa amanyi goteba kana naro aro position that ni ankore irese serikali is a very good gentleman no mondo ku understand ibintu but I'm sure again and next onye go ko next by the time wo cha no next week ngonyora wiki ga para cha akore cha ibintu bya ibire project biria begete ngokorbire a problem ya bete ne tibasiya chitogote no bantu bakawbwa nona bari ko quotation people feared abantu bari ko ina batenda batenda banyore award umuntu obuta okubori umuntu neki utaraji gukora gasi abantu abandi tinyo utaraji gukora gasi omuntu eresanga ya ngo chikokora last week eri tenda yane kare bwena tako ko era abuna otu atwara confusion but then we have learned no matter we try something to learn so next time this coming budget na besate yewu sina is aware besate yewu sisi all projects chiko carried forward oroje chiako so besate yewu sira ngane yabe kutumasimba no ego toko yabe kutuboka no ego toko we just carry forward
All right mwawe mukwanera amangi ane mono tatoso ase sekta yechisemi asinge nchekirenga jitu ane mono imambia bono siasa na makendro ensemo yechisemi na ranga mwaba mukwegwa chibasari ase emekinye mekia etiri kulumaiga mwa mukwegwa chibasari ntamanyenga nchaba chigwikire na bune bwendrete na boigo na boigo mukwanera ane mono igoro yobwaga chigwibirasi biribya AC turatakira sensemo yo mheshimiwa Richmond
nche basari nchena we had 5 million that was 5 million it was from 2 3 4 agora tu na chena ntuya we had a balance tu alo cha na wana wa polytechnic na form 1 ntuana nte poni gango kora bari korika they are about to finish korika chichekichiria position in jachete so the moment the money will hit from the recover risk from na control of budget we will be able to issue the checks that most probably na vera at next week
asanse mwe bwa chibirasi bya ECD wikira bana mu serikali kire
ebirasi bya ECD biganda tebine mbere bya bego tuchlot as I said here shortly ndo ayiromokero bia bego tuchlot kabia bego tuchlot umaite by the time ishmu abantu barago twarago kore budget we knew a class kerige ko be 1 million bila kujugo consider materials ya mende smith ya mende ili grass ya go na 1 million smith ya rengo sisi ni miasta 1 million smith ya rigeti chuma ya mende no go there was maybe korwa to contract the chinyinge ever can't because of the value. You see, toko in order to class work at class table to me around 800, 900. The toka name you can by the time you work and such in the work of a situation for the necrotic, the find an error. So, if we are training by the way, we can one number by the in the big chat or because they are targeting by the color in the to be awarded for the close of the financial year, so that payment early next financial year, like in the money will be carried forward. It's only again a problem to avoid near procurement. We had only a officer or procurement or acting. According to the last regime, it's now that they are about to abandon procurement officers for of which I hope most of our office will go to get about take charge your process. Again, previously, to what in fact, we are a problem to what they are in near procurement. But then there's a way that the governor, I think, planned after consultation, I would go streamline so that what were the effective procurement process. Or make sure you to be a very clear budget when I want you to talk in the next budget to make sure to be choose the proposals into our project to anticipate to go for a award this coming financial year. So it's upon the engineers and the relevant people to go and do the BQs for Mapema. So they can budget was born Mapema by the time we budget Yagoswa to BQ chile. It has no tangas. A chiatangas, chigas chenan. We can September, John Speed, the Tokonte Watch Project, John Speed, and Chikorwood. So that by early next year, the token payment, that's Nadio, Abavana about the absorption rate here. You know, the moment you do projects, if you don't pay, still you will have absorption rate. So the moment you try to boost the absorption rate, let projects be done in time and the payment be done in time. I've known you at all, but from the process, not all processes regarding which the process is procurement, then I think will be very effective.
Mheshimiwa Ntararwa sensema kwa vile tabanga ni genga kimwaro kore budget nigo mwaro amagori gabete gakonchiriane na mono dimo kuchwikira ndamanyenga amagori mwakorete bori uko tukimumanyenga ebintu ebi nigo bigo cost ga Ntararwa si budget sikijari
abo no atu abwate problem we were told njitini mo engineer mujimo boss tari mo engineer ntuarenge exact quotation to yanto tebe na ki ayangoro sine pare ne kilomita gete HBS mwene de kubeka na chichi One to kagenda to our layman's language understanding, tukabete pale usin kilomita 3 wanyo mondabe gete milioni yemo abuno ya korte ya tuiterete
abanda bakorete gabado no bale mirimo bose gitambo girukia bete
no aiga ni tutuarwete tubunaba abejemusi ni tutuarwete but nare problem kaba akoba I don't know kia beto kurwari instead ye chinjini ko to advice bagachiba kina machi to advice bachi to advice because no nakare bikwe ko chikoros bona ngomo na nda ta chibase chubele taiga nchiko kara pare yo yonsera akora ko sini kilomita ya mo sinibe o sinibe abuno to abwate problem also
ensemo ya mheshimiwa betura konerana mono igoro yuwagachi bibirasi beisidi na boigo ensemo itibasa renchira chabete chikwena no chabete chikwikira ni wa bunegwenrate
no job ngororere ndu yane Richmond ya mabera sometimes na nje nare kobere na bego mbera sande gazi go defend serikali ya gavana Zimbarati tojibuna ngangani rume to kwere semega no chire chibara kwa muri mani anyi because ta kunyara go defend ndede ngote tari wanja kwae sometimes ya bantu ndo mwite tumwabire manyene mail naro basari gante event watema nja ndo anekera ngwande kinyorongo wakabale namba nyora chi check nonye chi anyole tu nomaete njia nyoritu sana serikali ikakura na budget ya MCA 15 mbatene ni uborimu ketwari kuruji check igabana yatete next week chibesa ngojajire budget yo twanyiteneneti tere 12 umutieni ukabire chichekie jaruete ali January actually around tere moja around tere 10 sorry neto ruete chi form chi budget gaje gotenena tere 12 on no ni February so mundu kwina wananchi na ne budget yatenete chikwende chikanyoru no bolimo chibare chiabeta warded around end of November up to day nchira akuru uno mutinyusta mundu takwina wananchi na ne budget yatenete ande budget yatenete ni sababu chire legitimate abantu mbaje babwatu batenete budget bayirwe tambukere kenene mono yojo gosomya bande lesson tigante abamangana yechi basel wamboli I want to say asoko ruchi basel ntuatema kwenana ochi anyoru mabera magoso kono kunyoro amagosa anda manene you know the governor is like a president ya county una president yere a president ya Kenya governor ali president ya county ituko ndiyo nana gora William Ruto ka korenda chi form chi basel ya CDF abana bakoyo anara magosoka nayo ri kitchen tata mugane moteyo monene we county na manyaba ke form iri saregete ne kere goche ward igaba no tetanyerente e form iri manyene ro meto konyore print ribobe gusine yabo ke yacha masimba na gaba no tetanyerente omu MCA karo no mu officer karo actually no mu waziri bagwaziri mbaga ne gotoka bangana yaba waziri bona bakizi igaba ri undermine bainge chikilakitu chiklaki njiro klari officer simbaro baga ne rikorenda chief form ba omu MC aba team ya basere committee ne na abantu bande bakore amangana yoko give chief form icho amarietache a committee karanze because ne committee gabana tariko bande mu MC tariko bande a committee nere kurigeria abantu bagochorana oyo ne ntakana oyo no mutakapi committee nero but squeeze rende ntu abeka no tokonyebeka open abana inchi boka bate abana gato cha kiro ne abana baye bachandegete abana ambabo ati bayuri so we do it in a very open way none ke chiche kichigocha like mwaroje news ga mazimbe gatoke vuruvuruge to kidogo aba no chire ne chicheki tamanye tino empanta gocha kwambara bi tamaye tite committee members be basel board yane tamanye ti chair board chair ye committee yeyu tamaye ti ward manager umuntu we kama edo mu MCA ochirali tarita etikori ko organize mu MCA we kenyorekyo ate amwarigani you know we have seen oborai bubwate challenges the good thing Richmond was there keroga bana goja mazima mu MCA we kenyoro ikyo mu MCA ne tokana ari rangiembe neroga niri gukwana ali gaini gabana amorokie committee ya ye chibasari because ne kiachera gagu baiwana nena bono gabana thank you very much ntu abantu banga naiga because like mina eta bana 1256 form 2 form 3 and form 4 form 1 na activate there are about 300 and something bagoja kwenye bonus kile ku apply ekuende basari mazimba lazima onyore kile kwa bekire form so ainara magoso amangana ya ECD na sekirezane njera umusanyo na Richmond ya agukongaina ametra nago de twanja kwae serikali ene ngongo defend na gende nere ngono kotemari ene ngongwero ene ngongo defend tiango let me shock you ebirazi BCD class ngeo kende Richmond you know very well ngeyo gakyo mwana minto chitenda chiabete advertised chire at you know almost 300 million because here a lot way nenjere gabana yaro kandi abantu bakore gasi oteba nembeo bantu mba applied tana nechibeza kaki everybody knows ine class iziko gacha cannot take more than 1 million Machogu was a member of parliament he was using 700,000 kwa gaje class Manduku is doing it at about 1 million my area member of parliament all members of parliament they are doing those classes at a tune of between 700 labor based to 1 million. That is the truth of the matter. Kirazi ngeyo toto wate yabantu na wa MCA na umeto nukuri metobu gatere na nduwa gajiti birazi na no tuwa begeteli kuri 1 million na ibi birazi bitagaje. Let me tell you what happens. Ekero begete 1 million is okay. etenda yabe advertised simba advertise muntu nono yo mata apply bakakanda bantu mba apply all the contractors bakizi county ibirazi bia bwate chibeza like me I have 3 Ramasha Mosisa and Riabigutu 1 million each. People do not apply ebiyo bia begete people do not apply because yawa na kwimoka actually now he did it even interesting nyali bali mazana nyali bali chacha begete lot yem I don't know what thinking is that numuntu akoli birazi nyali bali chache akona nyali bali masawa honestly what are we doing to the county? What happens if the money was less? Richmond, let us agree. Abantu who apply awarded that tender. Umuntu enda 1 million. Akoregas. Ekero akoregas, agendo una assessment utaraka. The officers of the county they come and they do assessment. They establish whether indeed you have done that work na kwegwa. Then ariesikiera na nekiara mashana abegete. Now, when go to next imbe the 500,000, the law allows me as a budget. Imbe 500,000 for completion of ECD class at Ramasha. So you cannot cheat people. That is why we do not let us state the people the truth. The contractors back in the county, they are scared. No more can be and Simbarati. That is why they did not attend. That's why they did not bid. Monteteyo no. Mwana biashara timedi ngi utarigeti njorobeka agende jikondiri kuwanja because he knows and that is the truth. You cannot run away from the truth. So as it stands with us basically ndi mugora ndachi clip mwaji yasaga rawa na promise dia bandona ekerawo chiko chikura akwa gati birazi bibere kire school the 700 schools to waden kizika na batangaza na ndakata yabe KTV. We have those clips akata yabe KTV abana bako chagari barora bya banywa mabere because he promised the feeding program, you know. Because you know a budget job we error. Every year. Very from a school like me I have around 19 schools. My goal, and I told them one Mazima. Nangozo County, I wanted to do at least a class kemo in every ECD, in every primary school. That was the plan in Richmond. But unfortunately, we are closing a financial year. Ntora akora class. Ekemona akora 2020-2023. Ekiki still a contractor they are no gukora on the ground. Because tara akora on the cake. Tara akanu. Chiweza jiri akora tenge. Mnali chikori tena if you do about 70%. Na bugu akanu besange. Erinde ondo kollega. So this is a challenge. Let us accept. Somebody need to talk to governor. The people need those ECD classes. In Chebno mu MCA on Chebno mu MCO Masimba. Richmond no mu MCO bogeka. And identify the birazi via renge kokorwa. So sometimes Richmond don't defend. Say I'm trying to follow up with the governor and give birazi via vitrakoro. Even the people bogeka will be very happy. I want to tell you because you don't know how tendering is done. You have not employed any procurement officer. The person in charge of the county is the governor. Njena mwire birazi vitatu. Na ndo mwako wega bono ko banaro jine bya kwa mire na begete kemo. Because the money is less, I wanted to concentrate chipara na mangana health center. Na gamba na ndo bana baganda boss torose jibara. Torose jibara gono go monya bare mbate baje bango bujumbe kujimutwa. Bade gora torose jibara iga otoko goka na maji Richmond. Tokubulwa maji ningi toko era saba ndo kitara gore na ro twa weje westing.
Msimu gwate mirimo emenge na boyiko as a county government ne gwate wibemero video ma tendu azoro bongora kusebanta bange nabali nabo yafali miyaba niyo konyoranga bose nabatugi asebako bakuira ebintu byabo sebakoro bunjiri wabo nase kiciro ndamanyenga ensemo yobwagaji kucicire kyagera amangano bwacu kiciro ne gago cyane kitayakiriya kikuba kikubi kwase kinsemo kiri alende kumulikira abantu kinga kibakoro bunjiri maitenga nkonya kugenda turi kwa advance kunensi yake atatenga ntuike no 24 hours economy tuika no 20 hours irenda abantu bati mukasaine saa 5 na beko nyoranga abantu babere bakonyeka ntamanyenga asensemeria yobwagaji bw'ikiciro umushimiwa Richmond nabo iko okubeko bw'kitaya ngaje serikali ya county ya Kisii yabero ikera bona
it all depends no yo MCA you because we had our own budget otegemea na bora nyore buone nchipara itatumana kuno mushima bosi atabira abantu baye bamatebeti abara oseri chipara nchinyagitari iko mbite market priority. So eregen takoi priority ni para ni chinyakitari. So we need to balance like unanje. Na kinago te I'm one of the people but in time nyite that estimate na de korosi chiro sa korobititi. But it was na begete chiare ni chinka one to force ekoru as a first phase. It was a na begetoro. Then next my go yebeka it was about just second phase for completion. So even the window being building na kwa esa we had the challenges of procurement. Na kio mojimo bosi ego kwa nrobi yanga binto ekero ko nyono kwa bekire o kwa na gavana. Whatever na kio proposal yani ordinary ekero proposal yani ordinary na to relevant departments. Wana bantu bari gari at the departmental level na buo korande ba irake batiri nembato murwa. Boniga coming this the next financial year with whatever projects that will be carried forward. The Chigo Koro by December integrated project so that we get a January, February no work. It depends. I cannot want to priority as a word.
Netokanga priority neroete na bikunyale kananga ebintu mbiro bikebike ora bigokora ne muno una chita yamaete chita banga ense mu chita yanga yiyo yikire
jo ugando ngero taranyo chita is just pichi koro se budget na bono ranyo no mushimo boss ya 27 million na njeni ngeire na bira tokane taye chibuwa ne nchiri priority kwarole it depends na so korwa ki abantu okugani kwa abantu bawo mbuso omuntu etaya kumena macha atagite bono kurari geriyore muna na ko example bono buna ati nimbege style echo the process is on yoko bega style echo asana do it not everything abona anda somos mu boss onyore era tata itaya ibintabe maybe now so ngote ya mere ngai.
Alright, tucha sensemo ya mheshimiwa ensemo ya ainota chiro priority.
Alia Masimba mbwate chichiro ibere. Chichima nikanete actually chiro ya Masimba na chiro ya Ramasha. Ye restored project ya nagoera ya gaji tuna the former regime lituli gali kabayo. But I want to say this. Mangana masts, the lighting masts chita whatever. Na bege the budget ngenda mo kya gata toka tani budget na kiekyo kanya jibe si chia rusiri wororo chika David because kawa nale ko jangali ndaka utura ngenge bali aro chate tekura aka wekanya gitari uchiari nyamaje no anyo de jibe se kurwao this budget imbe chita mbete 1 million chibeke chita ya Masimba chibeke chita ya Ramasha nechi center gitali chirichire abantu bako kababi karona matoke baoni. What I've done, what we are lucky, the national government and then njene kingura gokera na kina supported the president wetero muchumbe gali chiro president ngoto era ali ato chiro ya 20 million almost 20 million yeah 30 million I think. Already the contractor has been given a letter of award. Na chaga a very good market. So now I go back a because already we have gotten that. No, nyera masha. You know, serikali ya Tete Richmond, the governor came to Mazimba. They have an engine na chaga chichira masha. Manyaku bangaina. No matter ya monona, umondo go propose projects, no more MCA. That thing nkeyo in the budget. You know very well. But I've not seen it in the budget. You have the budget, a document into Togo's Kurtunaize budget. So it's not there, not in the budget because you cannot talk common. Unangora araga banago tena ninjemba kole nyakita ali 30 million unaenda ngenda bantu bagizo. But that money is not in the budget.
No, sonero.
If it has been there, I don't know. If governor could have done una promise there on the Ramasha beke jiro because the Giro needs about 20 million for a good market. The MCA cannot propose from 27 million. But that's a mega project. It's a flagship project. He has not put money for a match. That one I can tell you. Lakini what we have done, na quality public participation, tukagiri na wananchi, tuchake open market. By that I think in this coming month, I'm going to open that open market. Abantu baracha, baoni ibituma bare kabisa gari boni chingeni lika bako genda miriri na bandi bagenda chimamuri na bandi bagenda bacha masimba. So we want to start an open market. Already I have established the committee y'abantu bechireyo bachoranete boka, so ndo open market. Na inje tindairi, I'm also trying ko bakonge open market ya korokana nero operational kabisa. I'm trying to engage bantu babiri batato if we can get still that project from the national government. I've engaged the area member of parliament. I've engaged the Mama County about the same. Rende njenda ike World Bank na gabana na kana tari kuru mutonda ende ngumbwali ya ndo World Bank because no ma debya money jiro bune ya marani, you know, it is a project ya kore tuna funding no ma de jiro bune ya magena marani kichiro bune jiji ya kore tuna wetera gabana ngwa ko genda isiko kulia abantu bakube ono gabana ito ni musabere sana, is a very good young man. Nje musabera ende isiko aru mutondo, you know, akuru mutondo stadium mutondo aende no nye China asaru city mongina arenda abantu nakonyora abantu
mushora ko genda China mwaka
yeah, we cannot say egerga bana ko soka isiko korenda investors, we cannot complain. Aende isiko arende chi investor arende chi donor amenda bakonenda ya dumezana alikuwa kama nayo abeke buya tonyore chiro ramasha no na chiro ititi because you can get even 10 billion for those projects. Wakibona gabana abe mutondo gagi anakorange Richmond meeting ko mambaka marawa, you know,
mulekera mkimora kwana gabana ere matengo igure
no wala buneke gabana ka anytime ara soke mbang yako ranga
ngwarora job ngwarora mugavana Gladys Wanga kere president yarenge US mugavana olenge rono oibo DM umongi na Gladys Wanga na wabani waiguru hono gabano itu kurwachoru buno mugabana oboko bwae bukachiete nyasaye bo Richmond umanyete tana kogenda America tana kogenda Israel tana kogenda Sweden tana kogenda isikubu na gabana jine jikogenda
mugabana nchirabe
chachi koligia aya bokachiete miaka umwaka weri
university of one njacha nyaone geiga mtu asaine moyo
ne bipindi
by July ngocha bare geiga to tuchaka correction programs
ne bipindi ya job umwaka weri ko baganda China, we have never seen anything about China baje bagakujibijaga ali stadium we have never
it's a process
kani ngikyama byenda tumetumenya sense miya tunaranguja bali bandisi wote wa akubati mambeba na mastonja flow of kisi governor Simbarato but on one side I support MCM Maura. Financial year 2022-2023 we only saw one road, the Mombasa Masha Road, bursary paid to ECD classes constructed only bursaries, no other to ECD classes constructed at Mogoron and Ramasha PR. Ndochepo you go out among bursaries done, but no other development has been done. We don't know where our share is. Moses Shua Omunga, Ndochepo and Databanga. Hello TV, I'm Helen, sister to Bose, my Rani Kondani is my hero. Ndochepo you go Edward Musiriwa Mungeto, ananda tukubuatia Moroberi Gwensa Kema Mbiabono, we go Ndizi TV Mutureti Aloiza Okari Koruabo Onyaga Tani wo niganda tukotubuatia ase mambia bono igatia bali wanda tukwate Moroberi Gwensa Kya emambia ya bono sindo tinga ibiro ganda tukumya wakigima ase ensemeria yokumulekera obokoreri weserekali county ya Kisii ngakiura abiboko goko rate obokoreri bwo inongo ikira bono iga umushimi wa Richmond
ntwe na wana togote baiga obokoreri bwo county bwo tindo chese boko
oversight tukongera moko yakora
ntwe oversight yetongo koratore aseri gosodire bochitore tuwo kwana bareke bishara akina hote utatiga abantu mbale abarishimo abaminto abako nyoro umuntu enkoro yae serikali because umujima bosi kwa ndivyo sana na kia support the mo president whichever way echiro yana yanyakwa for your information no mujima
mele mugwate echiro ya
Duwate echiro yanyakwa one you know we have a project to own a national government ya 50 million but it's being done in conjunction with serikali ya county because we no we county so these two governments must work hand in hand like it over 248 governments ono in tubune county kuna serikali ya county ebi ndombele to kurigeri twara gamu yebye twabibwati kuna bono twatawe kuna na kwa resa process ya procurement nene to letere mechando yon speed omontara abakora umugabana tubwatiki mone ta ko ba ya left right center so ere no kugibwere no kugibu guidance na ki gendo getembire bibwana to kore kana sigete make sure ngo mwakore also there is a lot of sabotage yagate a process yon speak of streamlined kuna naira saga hiyo starting from this coming budget in fact kisi ngojere ko number 1 kisi go iketanga na enda tutige that negativity umade nebo manto naro tanje tigabana simbara nero mugabana nebo muntu naro masimbo tanje di boss nero moyimsyo masimba neba ningo it remains nero ubwate mandate ya masi nje ubwate mandate ya boy neba no nganje neba to nganje so njige tujuga naro te bangere ne kyomano yominto umano miyasana but nani no mungai lakini bone shida ne ya ko kechinza chinde nyora abantu geto bongo bore ya ke ga ba muchanganya so are ko remain focused amanyenga chena jor na abantu ba masi tutige binde side shows es never the serikali ya Ruto is the president nje enjor ne pati ya DAP Kenya oya jor ne pati ya UDA but I'm telling you I knew Ruto before he knew him. So, if you be to take side shows, to manage a to watch or to call Raman to wait us. Only take we can get Siasa, to act Siasa. One year the Raman take us, as it goes to Arangelani, to his answer to a Carrasi, to your opposite to Buya, which are they tell you. Don't they ever do it.
Lodging another Tabaka School of Health Sciences College Mosocho campus, tuned from the CBD of Mosocho town. Alakundochenga Atabanga Honorable Richmond, we request you to visit our institution. Kisi must shine. Negatia Baligaliban visitibato what Kurua Sense Media ya Mosocho. Yes, umeshimiwa. Twabeta koranga county ya Kisi bunge county ya Kisi averege komochibwa anene mono soko banga nigo rotebe kananga nigo mwikaranse ile na serikali ye county ya Kisi na boy konga mubwati musibole as decisions mo ko make ndatukwa nile nseme ya oversight ngakimwa bere mu wikire na oversight no ngokora mule kubwate kana neri chiko bose this interference which as a county serikali
nje na boss Maira digantebe na I've been trying kutemani sana wakora mangana na oversight. Kwa mfano recently nkuarora bateto kuruzumo waziri ndemo kuruaze Kerogo serikali ya Mubegete tukatena farm. I was among the people who can in the inere kurugo oversight because indwaro je magosa akoretare kuruziwe Kerogo nje buna boss ningendete kote yaba na inje baitwa Kisi county buna serikali ye trio kwa bintu buna eganehiri gozibuna mwakagerete gozibuna ya promise it. Richmond knows in the last 3 quarters Kisi County cover 47 out of 47. Tali ntuto kwenye rate njenere uzenje nae. Unaona ibura the number aje ntoje tobe amended there nana ninje ntoje tobe number 1. Obvia we have institutions chikorate counties chire mandated by the government and the main one is the control of budget. The control budget report first quarter air to 47 out of 47. Absorption rate 1.9 something %. The second quarter 47 out of 47. Absorption rate less than 3%. The last quarter yako tena under the report Kisi count 47 out of 47. Absorption rate less than 3%. and it is something that is in the public. We can check in the internet. The good thing governor went to egesa agatewe na abanamba yo moelio ntoje twegase. That is a story for another day. Ekerole number last, it means to gutumia chibesa chia magendero. No choena ne chibasari. No chokole wakana bande mishahara. No kole kyo okora. Muna chibesa chikore machibara. Chibesa chikoros ECD. Chibesa chikoros nyegitari. Ikinaga otebiriboniga abantu abanga gotenda amangane y'ibirasi. Abantu abanga gotenda amangane nyegitari. TLT facilities chonsi picha with advertising, nobody applied. That tender was re-advertised, nobody applied. The governor has decided to give quotation way. Nduma idea along ya kwenda kwenda na quotation because if facility wate na nje mbugate already isato. Chiko kolegasi. Na ya munere ngo establish metembe ya ngetu no mheshimiwa Muindi Rita Tuligatu. I've given it money rinde by the time ngoro obisu no MCA in this 5 years yani enyo na ya ngere kokoro. It is true there is a lot of interference from the executive. That's why you see Richmond yarega go defend the governor. Amuika. I'm defending 100%. That come lose because ometara lose because on he has to do that. Meaning ya go control ne button get. Na inje na gyoro tembere tegango tena gi governor. Ango abantu mbaire chitenda chibirasi BCD. Anga abantu mbaire chitenda chibirasi anchi chinyagitari chito chikoru. Anga Mario na nyagitari. You know that's the difference. We are controlled in government na inje nte to konye government ekolibuya abantu bakisi county bagoke na abantu bane bagoke because ekere nyagitari ara mashekorozu to standard yengia na Mario gabe kunaba nabantu babe kuba bakuruwali abantu abanyagitari babe kworo inkonyora ugusangiria kuruwa saba na inji actually abana inji abagoka na igoro ni gekogoka na gavana igakonyore advantage. The only problem, the only difference between me na Richmond na basani bae intengwe te gavana akore gas abantu bana bagoke na abantu bagizi county bagoke na Richmond maybe they can figure out. So what we can say what we can say ntora azamangano oversight ntora akori buya I want to agree as a county and we need to I want to urge my colleagues it is representation means bagwakisha abantu babakete chikura amaoni ali aba abantu bategeta ko rukuru binyoro na nabantu babogeka ward ebintu bitegete bitete bikoru Richmond yabiranta se bunge bibe kwa se budget. Oversight means tulige na kichibe tunengi chibe chitu na kichiko kolekana tutige gote bana procurement yabate problem ekere school eko job omondo go problem the principal tali class teacher ekemo. It is the principal was head teacher or in charge of the institution. Nekioko ralio gino na bantu bibuli bayuka bakana una omwalimu yawero we morusiga. And this is what is going to happen in 2027. I can predict a principal ya Kisii County kuika bantu baje bari chectina uko ariko no koraramika abangu ngita bare ondasiro mondono goto abantu bajire gombekere nsumu abantu gosena anyi you know a lot of lamentations instead of ekeroko ndaze ngo expect kabana garaje masimba atenene ri sakara ate abantu bana bamazimba no to no MCA ga chibeza ndo begetera masha na begete 2 million egasi yinga atumira abantu ngokora baroro nyagitari muroje masimba ga ngokorekanere ebare yabegete patigabana comes to mazimba ebirero abate ko ngita gombekera bare nsumu ambate nenie budget abantu abagusena ki serikali nene NHIF ya tenene. You know the people of Kisii are watching. And I want to say it is unfortunate, it is bad luck for us. Negende kebe tigatosa bere serikali yomo sanyo yone eigwe bintongo batebe. You can hire me for free. I can be a very good advisor. I will be a very good advisor. You can hire me for free. Njitege tibese. Yeah. You. Ndio moelio legislation. Toro sia majiko. Na Richmond tuigete mukanyora mutete serikali tete kwanda na tuarusie bango chikanisa tukakana legislation amajiko aliya gutumika as a county ntutokoro cia majiko ire ngo mondore ititi akuna chachibesa asetuka ya aka kipandasi kikaya bwate mondore ibanjore buone akatuka kaya bwate ntokoro ziri chiko chibesa ire ngakoro geto kieke and he knows I am very good in that. Ngo come up with serious proposals. Why serikali yo goja na 500 shillings nje wikana chibe 300 because inje no mwana inji ngoramika lakini nereka na matebiri ngwi wana toreka because no tore budget twanyora twarazi rich kuri igasi itechire isato ichina chino Richmond ya made legislation oversight and representation amangana ya magenderero ekere county ego singi bune retaboniga by let me tell you, let me shock you. I'm on it number na work na mangana development ji but I can tell you as at today Chibesa ji 5.6 billion, the governor has not spent 1 billion. The last report it is 89 million konyora to me. So I don't know ile ngaoje wakana paka ache atu absorption rate era mubeka ache number 40. It is something kebwate ekizungumkuti sana because job I have told you into bitara batendad nyagita alichonzi njira batendad ebirazi byonzi mbira batendad meaning baseje njira kuno egento ko kuchibara chi constituency chinde no manyete abantu batendete mangana lot like Kitutu North people are not nobody tendered because here was an EPWD nobody was able to apply abo machoge abo machoge borabu kinamo sonderi abo eze kubokimonge bodie the lot way did not work bonjari the contractor was awarded the rule yo kwande a ground yechibara has never visited the site. I want to show you na chiba chitara tumeka
bonjari contractor na ile site as we speak
ndi ajede
bonjari oisire gokora
you know so the last week dimanyete but the report was tachiye titaanjete
aiga sago da machoge contractor ile site
yeah lot was a quotation lot was a quotation lot was lot yeah
Mheshimiwa asengenje mukona tinse ya mochi abo nchali na nendu ati mheshimiwa obusomo MC
yeah we avoid sure
abega go murekere nganeye na otokura itigabu kurende kimuraga nito yukwanere busyo na otokoreta aba MC kurwakera ase bunge elite to connect to kumuleka tandurango ngiabagire bande totabana watching the show from Nairobi. Governor wacha kubagua ni in Masimba. Why should the governor ignore other areas? You ni Nila asking a question here. Ndoche baiga nara iganda te kubodi ribo James Ratemo I'm James Ratemo from Masimba ward. I'm wondering if not concerned with the current situation at Masimba level 4 hospital, is the governor aware of how our people are deeply suffering because these things are not operating?
You know my people know
Timba on board. No conditions of the roof.
Ita nama baiza no monto la America kuteba bantu bali mbuli mangana magendero tiyasiga
ya bali abanda
tasiga bananu
azilendo tuko amabuli amanga ndretaiga
yes
igoro ye wiki yabatege gwetanga serikali ye county abosi ebunge county ya Kisii abere korokananga inu mwata magendro bolia abosi bose twareme swada egota maigaga ya kuru maigane na mono yokugani gwaka isikaba koli emeremo konyo mukuru ntamanyenga serikali nabo gukibura buru ase ebunge ye county ya Kisii tima think mora mo kwandirengane
njoli kete tiganga siumuna nche utaitengira neri it's digende kebe job you know nago tena Richmond kwara mwa vile serikali ene ngongotetea you know serikali ye ekaliando muswada o impeach deputy governor
sababu
the tore abo live in the bibigo cha bunge akeigo na no yo nyugwate muswada oyu ukuruzia omo waziri ndemo Dr. Ndemo uteneda mangana administration tukakana kaya abantu nyo barosire na mangana emiswada yo impeach abantu ndetengo tairero yo kama nazimbarati atene neti abachibo bisakianda igas you know you can imagine our chief officer kianda obizeye ya exactly utewa the deputy governor baigwana ni nero okore gazi munda aro bairo lichiko limebogete na nere deputy governor bado process yeri yabete koti tera nyanjerana elinde
ngoje tora sema mheshimiwa munda mheshimiwa
ngojora relax koti tera nyanjerana process yabete punga ya Kisii eyanjerane na munda na rusetigu kufuatilia na majika ito yenze ya Kenya ende gistin koti kire ande lichiko no mate ngiri ko tuanjira twakwana ngendo kire koti ndo yokana atebe na mangana anokana munda taliko chiando okaigo timwati mangana ande igo nataka abantu bakisi county bamanyi buna asaba chief officer ka banarigete kianda barabwa content gig abatenetie gas it's funny you know yana what happened ikona bego go ikome to monda ende a challenge this matter in court do we have a functional county government in Bosongo or it is dysfunctional as me where we stand the county government ya Kisii is dysfunctional it's not well constituted according to me because the law provides those positions ngore job usually it is the government korenda emiswada bungeni so that bunge korenda kieki eti emiswada yekonya abantu ono ndio emiswada tokorenda na Simba na Richmond ne yokurusia abantu so that's a bad situation
Mheshimiwa nkira kwa ndelengani
Chile no data oneka. Part umali na kwa na functions. Chia county assembly. Ose chigasi yetu. Oversight. Nchira teyo. Okwa nere tegao de monda achete kare for your information. Go sonye dia ta achete na nganga nyora mushara. As we speak, taiko nyora mushara. Tichi kondia bwata tiburi ka pake senate to kore pinto kwana sa contest ta kwana ekigia tikia boni gai knows it was not muswada was sorry ngwe serikali o that was part of the oversight work erimwe na ta kokora na bwata tirichiko yana section 185 na ngete mandate yo kora ga CU na maite onye ndiyare nge serikali he knows no mbona bali bagete there are people regretting because whatever money buy it you should give it ni binti ndati ko bikwana no roje na ara we na kipichere ko exchange yale ko bane serikali nyanya ko butata na national government no isa ko rigere na ngende ko ba ko nyanga banga ngakia tax ndo ko tengo etake o mai de once serikali bugato muswada to nyakogwa so binte vie impeachment evitari bintu bya serikali ebine bintu bikorwa sector part of our work ite basa ko bikorwa serikali so to ko na se binte vi evina ta banga serikali ko sa ya advice is one of the members ba county assembly is advice never required by law na bago chanera te bana kiya ne mbate proposal ke bana boss tokoreke na butogos kabosyo nto basa ko genda se mitandao na tondo abantu bari mutandao uri bari gose 1000 abantu bari giga e bari million almost 1 million abantu bari Kisii county so ndo to kore kwirinde ero tigache isaransaria aru advice arete proposal na arete motion yae ate bena kini mbwate motion unanje boss to change bintebi tokoreke na bikwanje to cha kokwana mondo tayo mutangete because equally abantu bamasimba mbwate representation as a county government ya Kisii so ni karo jikene kere na arete gatare muswado uyu orocho yora koreke ura to konye it is not necessary muswado okuru sa serikali yo. We are a part of the government and we are proud of this government because ebintu orocha mario yare ga mangi abantu bagukura yago tedinga ya no ne absorption rate you cannot pay without following a process because governor bonari ga tait o mai do muntu ore CEO ye county ga governor orocha na ero kurangira uchi senate so if he pays fraudulent tenders senate ego chikumurangire ntiago chikuiraneri yes is will be on him ntiago chikokora tatageti by the end of his maybe by the end of his 10-year term ache nganko ngayamete nkoti yamete ekina kiago avoid because he's still young na what ambition yoko ganda gochobosyo na ntorigeria almost ke Paul Simbaraji tumurige buna adui is your friend na nengo kwa na bari na kabana almost on a daily basis no ili bago kwa na ngana bago shebi na moyo musiyete yo tari kwa na kabana na bago bago jabanya gukora ibipindiga boss pingo kwa na bari na kabana umuntu uro unyuga ko feel offended na maite process to kubati to ikere governor to saransensi to koreki to kwane. Lakini in terms ya itu ya development ya itu na absorption a problem to bugate abantu bako na bareta a license nero ya trade license kawaida eri umaite kuikwata achise company yao abantu bainde bareta fake ETR receipts of which go hakana ya chire koresi audit query so ntota gitiko genda that direction yeto kore bintu biya kunyana na eri chiko gigere Mario no nyora chibese chiri okonyora muntu te yugo chuko bwati baadaye nduta ndiko chuko genda buna boniga nga senate maybe after the 10 years umuntu umugaba no mugawo chikocha uyora benji ko boss onyora na intu tomenya taria tomenya te senate rioka to wanza queries chia Simbarati tuna sababu Simbarati akaza ni kwanza queries chia James Ongwae we don't want that ikiro umuntu akora ibintu byakurengana neri chiko oyo roche naro okorere gasi utara akanwa tigaende court akombe a court a county akoregi yakanera kina there was a case kiarengega kiabanta baba masosa
Mheshimiwa Ngote ebiro bya mnyakire kigima nabako bako uno gotabokia
kinabirikia mnyata court lakini they went to court baka compare county akoregi yakane ekare county ekagenda egosaba emuda yokobaka na procedurally tora ramuganga tora hakano onye kumate genuinely you did that work yenda court the order ego compare county correct yakan so that order from the court will be attached in your file so that kaeka ro monda ko boya ote ba yende kenchana ngete ko hakana yakagenda court order ya rutu tukogete kamwakana short and clear.
All right. Na kituo chigokora umheshimiwa ochenga ebiro bya bere bikominyoka kegima na ende nochenga na bere Ngote bigokorwa sensemeringa chinso chabe chikwenda kegima ambia mona bashima soikira na ime studio and TV mambia bono ende nga ndochenga yekare keniko kikane tumenda chinga kikegima tugokora amangana yonsi tubwate mwachikono Ndiziti TV kwa ni mbia Ngote mbia mono ase okubwati muroberi bensakia korwa ase mambi yarenge entambia stota kubaterana nere Frida Kirugo na boigo Abigail Nyanchama irinde kwene kinga chibichichi boigo na Mariogi abira wekera asenchera elia jogo ikira na boigo abeshima baito mbia bono asukira na studio emambia ya bono ngende otengera Ndiziti TV na bobwansu bomo kusikira koli ankyo na bwana igebolelia uya
Ndiziti TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.